Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss the project about cardiac arrhythmias detection in on ECG beat signal using fast Fourier transform and artificial neural network. In this paper, fast Fourier transform has been used to identify features from on ECG signal. But in our proposed work, we will do the maximum standard deviation and variance to use as features. Those features generated the training as well as testing dataset for the artificial neural network to predict diseases. It is found that the system is very robust and can identify and predict features even from highly abnormal ECG. This is a big benefit since the ECG pattern varies in many factors from person to person. These factors may be height of peaks within of QRS complex, presence or absence of peaks, heart rate, etc. QRS complex is the most important section of any ECG, and once it has been detected, one can use it in another studies or system also. High accuracy of this system makes it highly reliable and efficient. Let us see the flow of the process. First we train the EEG signal and test EEG signals. Both are having the same process. Test EEG signal. First we remove the noise from our EEG signal with the help of bandpass filtering, and then we will go for deflection identification. If any deflections is occurred in our input signal, means that is identified first. Then we will go for feature extraction. For feature extraction, here we are using three techniques. In the base paper they are using the FFT to extract features from the input signals, but our process we will apply the mean, standard deviation and variance to extract the features. Mean returns the mean value along the first array dimension of A whose size does not equal 1. Then standard deviation, here input signal is a vector, returns the standard deviation using the result. S is the square root of an unbiased estimator of the variance of the population from which X is drawn, as long as X consists of independent identically distributed samples. Then variance are also calculated. Variance returns the variance of the input signals. For matrices, variances is a row vector containing the variance of each column of the input signals. For n-dimensional array, var operates along the first non-singleton dimension of input signal. The result V is an unbiased estimator of the variance of the population from which X is drawn, as long as X consists of independent identically distributed samples. Then we will pass it to neural network to find the diseases. Then neural network trained. Then finally it returns the diseases prediction by the neural network. Let us see the execution of the process. First select main.m file and click run file. This is a data set. These are the signals available for our data. All are EEG signals. We can select any one of this. Now I select the signal. Then process is going on. It will take some time. These are the detects the RPQ peaks exactly. Here we will detect the Q peaks for the ECG signal, and here we are detect the R peaks, and here we are detect the accurate R peaks in the signals, and then S peaks are detected in here, and the time intervals is calculated here, and belonging the ECG peak belonging the peak values, we are extracting the features from this peaks, and also minimum maximum features are also extracted from these signals, and we will pass it through decision tree classifier. Then it returns that corresponding ECG signal is affected by atrial fibrillation. Then our algorithm works properly. Thank you.